theme. Do you remember? What was our theme?
Courage.
Yes, our theme was courage, right? So we talked about courage was even when you're faced with something scary or something that you worry about, you take the step and you do it anyway, right? Even when you're faced with something really difficult, something hard, you do it anyway, right? You face that fear head on and you do it anyway, right? Yes. So today, in our very special assembly, we are going to respect and honor some people that showed courage. And those people that showed courage, we call veterans. We have Les Green with the U.S. Navy Seabees. We have Charles Dane with the U.S. Marine Corps. Larry Johnson, also with the U.S. Marine Corps. Jack Miller with the U.S. Navy. Keith Almeter with the U.S. Army. Gary Ryan with the U.S. Army. And Dave Thornton with the U.S. Army. Thank you all so much for being here with us today. We appreciate you.
I'm thankful to be safe.
I am thankful that people keep us safe.
Veterans are brave people who serve the military to protect us, to protect our country. We're thankful for our veterans because they help us keep our country safe. Thank you, veterans. What does a veteran mean to me? A veteran is someone who is very nice and kind. They are someone that saves our country by working hard. I am glad we have veterans. It always fun. It is not always easy. We care about them and we are thankful for what they have done. A veteran is someone who serves our country. They could have served in the Army, Navy, Marines, Air Force, or Coast Guard. They have fought for freedom. We show gratitude to veterans by thanking them and letting them know how special or important they are to us. They have continued to make a difference in our lives today. My dad served in the Army and is now retired. I'm thankful for my dad and all veterans that have served for us. Veterans protect the lives of people they don't know and protect our freedom. Veterans have fought our country's toughest battles.
Great job, everyone. Thank you so much.
Friends, we've been working really hard to honor our veterans in every branch. Are you ready to do our song?
Yeah!